One of the fastest ways to stay broke is trying to look rich too early. Because everywhere you look, someone your age seems ahead. Better clothes, better car, better apartment, better life. And without realizing it, you start buying proof. Proof that you're doing okay. Proof that you're successful. Proof that you're not behind. But wealth doesn't need proof. Insecurity does. And that's the trap. You can look confident outside while panicking inside. You can impress people for 30 seconds and pay for it for 30 months. Image is expensive, especially when you're financing it. The car payment doesn't care how many likes you got. The credit card doesn't care that it was your friend's birthday. And your future doesn't care how good your outfit looked if you never gave it any money. There are two paths, looking rich and becoming rich. At first, they look completely different. Looking rich spends first. Becoming rich plans first. Looking rich wants attention. Becoming rich wants options. The hard part? Nobody claps when you make the wise decision. Nobody sees the dinner you cooked at home, the upgrade you skipped, the payment you refused. But your bank account sees it. Your future sees it. Your freedom sees it. So here's the move. Stop buying things for the version of you you're trying to prove, and start building the version of you you're trying to become. Before you buy something, ask, is this helping my freedom or feeding my insecurity? That question will save you thousands. Real wealth is quiet in the beginning. It doesn't always look impressive. It looks disciplined. And one day, the person who stopped trying to look rich actually becomes free. Because wealth is not what people think you have. It's what you actually keep. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. I'm Lester Terry, and this is Stackr. Stack today. Freedom tomorrow.